Hello everyone. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at how to broadcast a message inside X3. It's actually pretty simple. If you're on any of the newer versions of version 12, you'll have a user broadcast function. So if you sign in, doesn't matter the folder per se, because this is at the Syracuse level. Under the administration module, there is a function called user broadcast. The user broadcast allows you to broadcast a message bar across the top to notify other users in the system of whatever you're trying to do, like kicking them out because you have to do upgrades, or you want them to be out by a certain time, or you just want to send a general message like system may be slow because we're doing updates or we're converting something. It's whatever you want to display. And it's literally just a message bar across the top. It doesn't do anything remote to them. Also, you can set them up on a timer. So you have like a start date, end date. You have like a message type and message. And then if you want to add any additional URL links into it. So we'll go ahead and create a new message. So it gives you a category. So this is just for recording purposes. It doesn't actually affect the messaging itself, but you can categorize it. So like if you wanted to categorize your messages as logouts, and when they do it, something like please log out as soon as possible. Something like this. And then if you want, you can add a link in here if you want to. You know, let's find something like Google. Or whatever. So you can just copy this and put in there. Then you have to give it a start date and an end date. These are required, even though they don't have little markers like this, message thing or whatever, they are required fields, so you have to put something in here. And then one little tiny gotcha is it doesn't let you select the time. So you actually have to come in here and set the time. So like 1 a.m. to 59 p.m. and then save. So this is what it looks like when it's unedited. And then if you just back up to the broadcast, you can see this. So right now it's going to be today. And it's going to be if anyone's logged in from 1 a.m. to 11:59 p.m., they will get a message. And what a message, and I'll show you how that looks. I'm just going to log in from another browser just so you get an idea of what it kind of looks like. So you can see as soon as I log in, I get this. Please log out as soon as possible. And if I click it, it adds the link. So that's how the linking works, is it actually turns the message into a link. And then you can close it. And then if I refresh the page, I won't get it anymore. So you'll have to like sign out and sign back in to re-see the message. You know, and then so I can just continue on and it doesn't impact me using the system. It's just a little pop-up message. But if I sign out and sign back in, I should get it again. And I get it again. And that's pretty much how it works. And then you can, as far as I know, you can have as many as you want on any sort of schedule. Again, the type is just for like categorizing it like as a type, but it doesn't actually impact the messaging at all. And if you want to learn a little bit more, you can always visit the Online Help Center and look for user broadcast. it gives you a breakdown. And that's it. Until next time.